To solve for y in the equation below, I'm going to rewrite it over here, nice and large. Negative 2y plus 11 equals negative 6y plus 35. And they want us to show our work and then write our answer down here. So what value do we plug in for y so that this equation is equal, so that both sides are balanced? What will work? Okay, I'm going to make a decision and kind of plan ahead. I'm going to say eventually I want all of my y's to be on this side over here and all of my numbers to be over here. This might help me keep track. I want to get this y over here on this side of the equation, and then since I'm getting all the numbers over here, I want to get this 11 on this side of the equation. So how do I do that? Well, I guess I'm going to rewrite the equation one more time. Let's rewrite it in this color. Negative 2y plus 11 equals negative 6y plus 35. And I should clear this out beneath. But let's rewrite that at the bottom. We want to get all the variables over here on this side of the equation, and then all the numbers on this side. Okay, so how do I get this over here? Well, I can't just move it. I have to get rid of it on this side and then bring it to this side. To do that, if I have negative 6y, I just think of opposites. Especially since it's a negative, I add 6y, and it's the opposite. It'll get rid of this 6y, and it's an equation, so I got to balance it and do the same thing over here. And while I'm at it, I'm also going to subtract 11 from this 11 to get rid of it, and do the same thing on this side to keep the equation balanced. That'll get rid of this number on this side and bring it over here. So negative 2y plus 6y, I'm going to think, what is negative 2 plus 6? That is 4. And then, well, we're talking about groups of y, so that's 4y. 11 minus 11 is 0. Negative 6y plus 6y is 0. 35 minus 11 is 24. So now we know 4y is 24. This means that 4 times y is 24, and 24 divided by 4 would give us y, and that's 6. And you could write your answer down here. Y equals 6. And, well, I'll show. What I'll show you is that you can take this value of y, plug it into the equation to make sure it's correct. On a problem like this, especially since we're new to algebra, you want to plug it in and make sure both expressions get the same number. So let's try negative 2 times 6 plus 11, that's this side. Negative 2 times 6, that's negative 12, plus 11 is negative 1. Okay, so if this is the right number, we should still get negative 1 on the right side of the equation over here. Negative 6 times 6 plus, ran out of room, 35. Negative 6 times 6 is negative 36, plus 35 is still negative 1, which is what we got before. So that is the answer to this equation.